and you could get loan at a, very viable, in a viable manner. So I do not recall that the government has been so, any government has been so proactive and alive to the challenges that the exporters have faced. Of course, the government can only, extend a supporting hand. Ultimately, it is the industry which has to bear the brunt. But then government has really come up with all kinds of, facilities that it can. But in spite of that, there are challenges that remain, and like you have, I find that there is non-uniform implementation of certain guidelines. You find that the collateral requirement for ECGs, in spite of, for pre-shipment, post-shipment credit, in spite of, the banks having ECGC cover, then you find that the interest equalization scheme cap, it limits your benefits. So there are challenges, but I think probably to top up the government benefit, you have agencies like this which come up with all kinds of innovative solutions, whether it is factoring or giving forward cover or hedging, and all sorts of there are innovative financial instruments available these days, and I think you can benefit from them. So point is that I would urge all of you to take maximum benefit of. See, in the industry, I believe the way forward is that there has to be faster delivery of credit. The documentation need to be simplified.